gonna study. Study. I'm gonna study for. I'm gonna do my assignment on mathematics. The first question is gonna be easy, which I'm gonna have to solve the others because number one is easy. It's 56 plus 8/9. It's a whole number. Adding a whole number with a fraction. So yeah, that one's easy when it comes to adding. What's not easy is subtracting with a whole number and stuff, but it's okay. I got this in the bag. And then next I'm gonna study for Arakan. I can find red notebook. I want a red notebook for that. I will find that there's no, so it's alright. I think the pag-usbong ng Kamalayang Nationalismo. There is over here how to get to Spain to the Manila, and then the Suez Canal, Indio, Liberalismo, La Liga Filipina, Dr. Jose P. Rizal, Gobernador General Carlos Maria de la Torre, Kaisipang, Liberalismo, Ilustrado, Rafael Izquierdo, Ruiz, and then Sargento Fernando La Madrid, Fort San Felipe sa Cavite. And then Arsenal, mga paring martir, dalawang uri ng pari sa Pilipinas, paring regular, paring secular. And si Padre Jose Burgos, Padre Mariano Gomez, Padre Jacinto Zamora, and Garrote Strangulation, Gregoria Meliton Martinez, Bagong Bayan o Luneta, El Filibusterismo. That's El Filibusterismo is the book that Jose Rizal made about the tatlong paring martir. Cause I listen. So yeah, I'm gonna time lapse this cause it's gonna take long and I have to practice. Dance. I don't know what it's called. Lumad. That's the thing for dance. Like lumad.